Hey, Melanin Nation Gang. Which part? Girl, I am NUBI. Alright. Okay, and I'm just coming here today because I'm just getting ready to do my reading and stuff. I have to do my sage and all of that. And I just wanted to come show y'all, I'm just adding some cards, about to do some more meditating. I got some notes right here from some stuff I was channeling, and I wanted to come show y'all because I showed y'all these cards a couple days ago that I had ordered, that they finally came. And I was shopping the other day for some other stuff at the dollar store, and I ran into these prayer cards, and you guys, these are like so over pretty. Like both of them, they got some really cute messages. It tells you what verse of the Bible that it came from and stuff like that. So I know it's holiday time. I know it's Christmas time. If you know anybody that's into spiritual things and you're kind of like on a budget, you can go in the dollar stores and try to find some of these. They might have them there if you want to get a person that you know a gift or something like this, or if you are on a budget yourself but want to get some new things for your channel, just go look into the dollar stores and you will find some very pretty cards. I want to go back to the dollar store and find some more. On the back it just says today's prayer. Okay, and it says inspirational prayer scripture cards for yourself and others, includes 20 cards. So I would say it's like, you would say this is probably like an oracle deck or something. It says, he has made everything beautiful in his time. And I don't even know how to even pronounce that word, so I'm not even about to even try to. But yeah. I am fearful and wonderfully made. Psalms 139, verse 14. Let all that you do be done in love. Chapter 1, Corinthians or something. 16, verse 14, something like that. Y'all know I don't be reading the Bible like that, y'all, but I'm trying. Okay, I'm gonna get there, okay? Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. He loves endures. Chronicles, chapter 1, Chronicles 16, verse 34. So yeah, just real pretty. They all look the same on the border, but I think the messages are really, cool. And then we have the other one. You say today's prayer on the back as well. Very pretty. In the border. This one says, a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Proverbs 27, verse 9. Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. Esther 4, verse 14. Okay. Under his wings you will find refuge. Psalms 9, verse 1. Alright. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Psalms 56, verse 3. So, I get an idea. She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. Proverbs 31, verse 25. Okay, so I think that these will be like really bomb. So again, if that's something that you, I just wanted to come share, you know. Also, if you are having trouble with, like, if you're making your own cards like these, I know these are kind of big. You know what I'm saying? Like some of these other ones I'm trying to finish right here. Like I said, I add 5 at a time. So I have some songs right here. I'm adding the R.I.P. Easy, Dipset, Jim Jones, R. Kelly, The Greatest, Slum Village, Tainted, Someone to Love, Rough Ends, and Getting Late, Flowetry, okay? But like I was saying, you can cut them down to the actual, like, size of cards. So what I did was I just folded, like, the top one that came in the pack to this over. So I made sure that it was even, so all my cards came out even. You just cut it in half and still write your messages, okay? That way it's easier to shuffle and all of that. You probably still have to split your deck, but at least it won't be, like, just so huge. Alright. Also, if you guys are looking into getting a wand or something like that, they sell a lot of stuff like this at spiritual shops and stuff. This is a cherry licorice root. If I could actually use this to, like, brush my teeth and stuff if I wanted to. I was doing some research because you guys know that I'm into, like, holistic practices and stuff like that. So I ran into this lady. I don't think it was exactly this, but it was some type of licorice root that she had. She was brushing her teeth and stuff with it. I wouldn't particularly use this for that right now because I already been using it for other stuff. But, like, if you could buy it fresh out the store, you know, you would want to do your research on how to go about before you use it in your mouth, because people have been touching stuff in the store, or if you want to order it from, like, online, or they have different packaging and different stores for certain stuff, you know what I'm saying? So pick your option for that. But yeah, you can go outside, I don't know where you guys live at, and just do your research on trees and, you know, certain elements, and find your own tools and stuff, and you can decorate this however you want it. You can leave it plain, however, you know. Just make it your own. So yes, I'm about to get ready for this read, you guys. It's gonna be a real deep read. It's gonna be, like, about karmics and stuff that's going on with this energy right now. I already put up the divine feminine, the collective, and I think I have a divine masculine beginning of December read. The other 2 readings that I just mentioned, those are mid-December reads. I'm sorry, you guys, I do have an actual job. I'm supposed to be there right now, but I'm here talking to you guys. So yeah, so like I was saying, I work a lot, so I be trying to do this when I have time, until we can get it to where we want to get it. You feel me? Alright, it's Melanin Nation, Melanin Gang, Melanin Popn, Melanin taking over, period. Y'all stay safe this weekend. Christmas is next weekend. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoys the holidays and stuff. Be looking out for some more videos. I also gotta go edit the video for this jumbo braid hair tutorial and how to get the ombre and stuff like that. So if you're into doing your own hair or other people's hair and stuff like that, I do a lot of beginner hair tutorials and stuff like that. I do have a lot of clothes DIYs. You know, we have the tarot segment. I haven't really came and did no story times yet, but I really want to get into that. I think I had, like, the Yanni Pearl story time. I think that's like the only one on there, because like I said, you guys, I be doing a lot of stuff. I was doing a TTC journey at one point, but I kind of stopped doing that because having a child right now is just not on my forte. But it does give you a lot of tips and reviews on natural, like, supplements, stores to go to, vitamins to try, supplements to try, product reviews, like far as, like, shampoos and natural products that I make on my own, like far as facials, spiritual bath mixtures, all type of stuff. So you guys go just explore on my page. Also check me out on some other platforms. I'm trying to get those back up and running too, but don't be afraid to come, you know, leave a DM or something. You have a question if you don't feel comfortable leaving it on here. It is I_am_Nubian Customs 92 on Facebook. And it is also the same spelling on IG. If you want to get my personal pages, it is Takayla Immadowhatiwant Thompson on Facebook, and on IG it is I_am_Nubian 92. Okay, so again, I'll have the correct spellings down below, or I might have a video or a picture linked with the spelling and thumbnail. So ciao, my loves.